Planning a trip to Bahrain? Great news. Whether you're going for tourism, business, or to visit family, it's easier than ever to check your visa options. First, the e-visa. Nationals of selected countries can apply online, no embassy visit needed. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months. You'll need a recent photo and proof of sufficient funds. Next, visa on arrival. If you're from one of the 69 plus eligible countries, you may be able to obtain your visa when you land in Bahrain. And for citizens of the Gulf Cooperation Council countries, such as Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Oman, and United Arab Emirates, visa-free entry applies. No application or fee required. But remember, rules can change. Always check with the official authorities. Holding an e-visa doesn't guarantee you'll be allowed in. Border authorities make the final decision. So if your country is eligible, apply online, pack your passport, photo, and proof of funds, and you're on your way. Enjoy the stunning sights, warm hospitality, and unique experiences in Bahrain. Safe travels.